What's going on, you guys? Welcome back to this channel, and in today's video we will be talking about SprayMax 2K polyurethane clear coat. This is the high gloss because we will be using it on this carbon fiber tonight that came off a convertible 350Z. So check this out. I went to a couple shops, had them give me a quote. One was like 150, the other one was like upwards of 220 to have this part re-cleared in clear coat, in gloss clear coat. I've been using SprayMax for a minute, and I guess now this is the opportunity to actually show you how this stuff works. And I do encourage you guys to use some kind of face protective gear. You do not want to be smelling in this stuff right here. It even has a label on the can. Yeah, this stuff is bad for you. So yeah, have the protective gear before you even start. Now the cap that was on top, what do you do with it? You simply place it on the bottom, use some force. Once you hear that little popping sound, that's when you know you release the hardener into the can. You shake the can for 2 minutes, really good, really important, shaking the can, mixing the hardener with the clear coat. And then of course, also really important, wearing the face gear, face protective gear, and the rest, yeah, simply gotta have the part clean that you're clearing, and that's it. So I'm gonna use, first coat will be light, then medium, then following with a heavy coat. Have it sit for 24 hours to properly cure. And there you go, you just clear coated your own part. I'm gonna show you the final results with me using the SprayMax. Let's get started. So I went ahead and also clear coated my tail lights, so these go into my rear bumper, and yeah, the gloss is unbelievable. It's unbelievable. You don't see no low spots. I mean, this stuff is no joke. SprayMax never disappoints, never disappoints. All right, so here's the finished results. I'm really happy with how it turned out. I went ahead and bought the Meguiar's Compound and Meguiar's Polisher. They're in a black bottle. They got the gray bottles. I got the black bottles, and the total amount was like 30 bucks is what I spent for them. And yep, here's the finished results. Looks really, really nice. Really, really nice. I'm happy. Looks way better than it was before, to be honest. It's like brand new. So yep, follow my steps, and this could be your part that you're trying to restore, your carbon fiber part. Other than that, thanks for watching. Subscribe, comment, and see you guys in the next video. Peace out.